Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this rotary mop bucket set, and the manufacturer did send this over to us for us to check out. This thing, really easy to use. Right here you go. Whenever you get this, it's going to be in a few different pieces. They just screw together. Really easy to do that. And then boom, we've already got some water along with some cleaner down there. It does come with this little thing right here that you can put some detergent in, cleaner, whatever. I just threw some cleaner in there that I already had. So what you're going to do is take this, and there is a little rotary thing down there. We'll place it on top of it, and we'll push down just to kind of get some water in there at first and get that cleaner in there. Then you can go ahead and pick this up and put it into your spin bucket. And this one here, you're going to be a little bit more aggressive with. Get that water out of there. Just depending on how much water you want to get out of there is how aggressive you will be with it. Now this does have a lock on it if you do want to lock it into place. However, I've noticed that I really don't need to lock it into place because this is on the ground, so it's all good to go. And that is it. Look at that right there. Makes it super easy to mop. Went ahead and started mopping this earlier. Check it out. And yes, it is that easy. And then whenever you're done and you need to rinse it, same thing. Just put it back in there, give this a couple pushes. Don't be too aggressive with this when it's in this water because of the restriction in the water, the friction, whatever you want to call it. It may make that mop fall off, the mop head fall off, which isn't a big deal. You can just put it back on there, but just do know that you don't need to be aggressive on that one. This is the one you want to be aggressive on. Go really hard, get the water off of there, and you won't have any issues. Boom, just like that. Now, speaking of mop heads, something really cool is they do send you 2 additional mop heads. So you'll have 3 total. These are easy to clean, washer safe, throw them in the wash. They're good to go. Something that's great about these is obviously if you want to have like one for here in the kitchen, one for in the bathroom so you don't cross-contaminate, you can easily do that. A few other features of this right down here, it does have a handle on it, so you can just easily pick it up like that. And then whenever you are done, it does have a nice little handy dandy drain on there, so you can take it over to your sink or wherever and drain it out. Overall, I've been really pleased with it. As you saw, super easy, simple to use. So if you're looking for one of these rotary mops, go ahead and check this one out.